Watch out for these landmines.
Oh, those are landmines?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so they're already up around here?
Yeah, they're in
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Is that you?
You're smaller. You should that out.
Go take our chances at turmoil.
Looks like we got all of this.
Watch out, man. Did you get in here?
Point something out at me.
So you can't shoot them too far.
I don't know. Do we want to try going up that way?
Sure.
See what we can do.
Yeah. Yeah, follow up behind these guys.
Okay.
That's all our team right there, so we can go around.
Radio. Copy that.
What are you guys seeing?
They're in the house that's directly in front of us.
Okay. Yep. We got it.
You out? Right in the doorway.
Dad, are you out?
Oh!
Are you out?
Yeah, it's a bounce. Like it sucks.
We got one inside. We got
Two
one.
inside.
Yeah, we got one inside.
In the fucking woods, in the bush.
Yeah, we got one inside. Yeah, we got one.
One player's trying to walk out.
Hey, hold it for us.
Walking out.
So he died?
Yeah, you got shot right here. I guess they were really close.
We're in the house.
It looks like it too.
Hold this position and wait for him.
B, if you can make it to us, try and get over here.
Alright, hold on. There's a guy blocking the doorway.
Huh? Sorry, I hit your door.
Hey! Somebody fucking get the A-frame out!
Am I hit?
No.
What? Am I hit? No, you good. Medic! Medic! Medic!
Is there a medic?
What? Where's that shield at?
Heads up, window!
Hey! What's up, left side? What's up, left side?
Are you guys still in the same spot?
I am. D pushed up a little bit. I'm holding back.
Okay. Let's go around this way. Because who knows where they're at now. They could be a little closer. I don't want to take random fire just walking up here.
Window forward building.
All right, this is about where we were last time, so.
They don't like me.
Okay, go.
Okay. So here's B.
Can't stand.
Get the fuck out! Get out! Hey! Can you get to that? Hey, Pokemon!
Am I hit?
Can you get up there? Can you get to the crate?
It's splattered.
Can you get to the
Nah,
ground?
taking it.
Hey, bud!
I'm gonna try and make it up into this building.
Alrighty.
Where are they at?
Over there in the barn. Right behind the bus.
Behind the bus?
You're right like that water container.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh! Yeah, I just got one. Oh, that sucks. Incoming.
Yeah. You gotta push forward now.
I'm in the spawn area in the castle. I'm gonna try moving up by the bus.
God damn.
I saw B over there.
Not yet, I'm by the tower right by the bus.
I'm on you.
Watch out for these landmines.
Oh, those are landmines? Yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna try moving up to that bus.
Alright. Looks clear.
Far left side.
Yep, that jug belt all back there. He's on fence side.
Oh, you're hit, you're hit. Yeah, one down. One more. One more at the back of that building, left side. Oh, I think I got him.
I say go for it.
It's within 3.
Information received. 3 feet from the landmines is death.